Natural recipe to clean the eyes, reduce the cataract, and increase your vision in 3 months. It's very simple. Avoid surgery. A cataract is an opacity in the lens of the eye that makes vision difficult and is progressive and painless. Cataracts are not a disease, but it is an eye aging that can be suffered by anyone because it is a problem that is related to age and is one of the leading causes of blindness in the world. Apart from the age that causes the most frequent cataract called senile cataract and affecting people older than 65 years, there are other causes that can anticipate the appearance of cataract, such as a blow, a puncture or cut, intense heat, or a burn caused by chemical agents. Also, certain diseases such as diabetes, inflammation of the eyes, family history, smoking, or a frequent exposure to radiation can cause the appearance of cataracts. There are certain natural remedies that can be used to delay the onset of cataracts, as well as the intake of certain foods that we detail. Eating spinach and taking lutein or spinach extract that contains carotenoids promotes the health of the retina and ocular tissue. Vitamin A is very necessary to maintain a healthy vision. Taking ginkgo biloba increases the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. Eating many vegetables such as spinach and kale, as well as berries such as blueberries, blackberries, cherries, and fruits rich in vitamin C and E, is beneficial for maintaining eye health. Avoid dairy products and saturated fats that produce free radicals that can cause cataracts and damage to vision. If you have cataracts, do not use antihistamines. Regularly consuming blueberries strengthens and protects veins and blood vessels by protecting the retina, reduces pressure on glaucoma, and can stop the growth of cataracts. You can use the medicinal herb euphrasia in drops as it treats eye-related symptoms like cataracts. The drops of this herb can be used internally safely and is much more effective than commercial eye drops. Natural recipe to clean the eyes. Ingredients: 1 cup rose petals. 2 4 teaspoons of raspberry leaves. 3 4 cups boiling water. 4 Let the ingredients rest for a few minutes in the boiling water. Let it cool well and then strain.